Yo guys, Jonathan here, and first off, thank you for the feedback and the insane amount of love on the latest video. That one was fun and really special to me, so that means everything. Post Mac Pro music world though, I've been going super deep into the Pro Display XDR. Last week I got a chance to hang out with this super talented HDR artist, Roman Deguli, so every wallpaper, essentially every piece of eye candy you've seen on the display is from him. Hanging with him though made me realize how much I suck, so I've been kind of toying around with the idea of one, uploading that review in HDR, but there's a couple reasons why I'm a little apprehensive. One, I personally feel like I have a lot to learn and get better at, and two, even though YouTube supports HDR, if you're watching this on a device that does, it should show up. I've heard horror stories where if you're not watching on a device that supports it, it might look awful, but if it does look good and you want to potentially see the full review in HDR, drop a like down below. And if not, I have a reference point to point back to because you're essentially seeing the Pro Display XDR in HDR. It's a pretty complex piece of tech what they're doing here, so I've been diving super deep into this. Today, I've essentially gone back to older footage that was captured in HDR. I could just never see that because I didn't have a monitor that supported it. It's a little mind-blowing seeing all this dynamic range and latitude that was technically there, I just could not see it. This should also hopefully give you an example of what nano texture, aka anti-glare, looks like against glossy, and after about 2 weeks with it, I want nano texture in all the things. Aside from that, if you have not subscribed, definitely do that so you don't miss out on the full Pro Display XDR review. And for now, enjoy my crappy take on some HDR footage.